Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Learning and Chit Chat. I'm here with a video on short English sentences of everyday use, and I hope you're gonna improve a lot your pronunciation and daily conversation after watching this video. Before this, I have made some other videos on sentences of daily conversation. Links are given in the description section. Please visit and benefit yourselves. Before we start with today's video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for early notifications. The good thing about the video is you will have British as well as American pronunciation of some important words. The first sentence of today is वो बिल्कुल बेबस है. He is quite helpless. He is quite helpless. वो अपने वादे पर कायम रहता है. He keeps his promise. He keeps his promise. आपकी घड़ी आगे हो जाती है. Your watch gains time. Your watch gains time. मेरी घड़ी अक्सर पीछे रह जाती है. My watch often loses time. My watch often loses time. एक पाँव की 5 उंगलियां होती हैं. A foot has 5 toes. A foot has 5 toes. मैं उसे अपना भाई समझता हूँ. I look upon him as my brother. I look upon him as my brother. वो बात बात पर बिगड़ जाती है. She gets cross at every step. She gets cross at every step. मैं मुश्किल में हूँ. I'm in a fix. I'm in a fix. वो मायूस नज़र आता है. He looks blue or he looks disappointed. उसे झूठ बोलने की आदत है. She is in the habit of telling lies. She is in the habit of telling lies. वो मेरा बड़ा भाई है. He is my elder brother. He is my elder brother. Next sentence. मैं आपका नुकसान पूरा कर दूंगा. I shall make good your loss. I shall make good your loss. मैं दिलो जान से आपकी मदद करूंगा. I shall help you with all my heart. I shall help you with all my heart. Next sentences. आपको कामयाबी हासिल होगी. You will come out with flying colors. You will come out with flying colors. वो अपने वादे से फिर जाएगा. He'll back out of his promise. He'll back out of his promise. मैं साफ कोई से काम लूँगी. I shall call a spade a spade. I shall call a spade a spade. Next sentences. उस पर मेरी नसीहत बेअसर गई. My advice fell flat on him. My advice fell flat on him. परेशानी आपकी सेहत पर बुरा असर डालेगी. Tension will tell upon your health. Tension will tell upon your health. Next sentences. क्या मेरी कोशिशें बेअसर होंगी? Will my efforts end in smoke? Will my efforts end in smoke? वो हर चीज़ पर नुक्ताचीनी करती है. She finds fault with everything. She finds fault with everything. Next sentences. चोर सर पर पाँव रखकर भागा. The thief took to his heels. The thief took to his heels. दौलत ने उसका दिमाग फेर दिया. Riches turned his head. Riches turned his head. ये मकान किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is to let. This house is to let. मैंने ख़त डाक में डाल दिया है. I have posted the letter. I have posted the letter. Next sentences. वो छोटी छोटी बात पर बुड़बड़ाया नहीं करती थी. She didn't murmur over trifles. She did murmur over trifles. एक कान से सुना, दूसरे से उड़ा दिया. In at one ear and out at the other. In at one ear and out at the other. वो मेरा कोट ले भागा. He made off with my coat. He made off with my coat. वो आपे से बाहर हो गई. She lost her temper. She lost her temper. वो लंगड़ा कर चल रहा था. He was limping. He was limping. क्या आंधी चल रही थी? Was it blowing a gale? Was it blowing a gale? तुम अपनी जमात में कैसे चल रहे हो? How are you getting on in your class? How are you getting on in your class? अलार्म बज रहा था. The alarm was sounding. The alarm was ringing. क्या ओले पड़ रहे थे? Was it hailing? Was it hailing? वो अक्सर यहाँ आया करता था. He used to come here off and on. He used to come here off and on. वो बिला वजह मुझ पर बरस पड़ा. He came down upon me for nothing. He came down upon me for nothing. हम खुदा पर यकीन रखते हैं. We believe in God. We believe in God. वो एक अच्छे ख़ानदान से है. She comes of a noble family. यहाँ पे अगर ब्रिटिश प्रोनाउंसिएशन को देखें तो इट्स नोबल, लेकिन अगर हम अमेरिकन प्रोनाउंसिएशन को देखें तो इट्स नोबल. नो और नो ज़रा सा डिफरेंस है एन के बाद वाली साउंड में. उसने हमें एक मनगढ़ंत कहानी सुनाई. She told us a cock and bull story. She told us a cock and bull story. क्या वो इस दफ़ा भी साफ बच निकला? Has he got off scot-free even this time too? Has he got off scot-free even this time too? शेखी न मारो. Don't indulge in tall talk. Don't indulge in tall talk. मैं उसकी मकारी से खूब वाकिफ़ हूँ. I'm fully conscious of his wickedness. I'm fully conscious of his wickedness. Next sentences. वो रोटी पकाना नहीं जानती. She does not know how to bake bread. She does not know how to bake bread. वो खूब अंग्रेज़ी जानती है. She is at home in English. She is at home in English. कल हड़ताल ख़त्म कर दी जाएगी. The strike will be called off tomorrow. The strike will be called off tomorrow. मेहमानों की एक फ़हरिस्त तैयार करो. Draw up a list of guests. आप इसको इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. Make a list of guests. ये एक मेज़ का काम देगा. It will do for a table. It will do for a table. Next sentences. वो एक मुहलिक मर्ज़ में मुब्तला है. He is suffering from a fatal disease. He is suffering from a fatal disease. वो मार्केट से करीब ही रहती है. She lives hard by the market. She lives hard by the market. Next sentences. वो अपनी माँ से मिलती है या फिर वो अपनी माँ से मिलती जुलती है. कहने का मतलब ये है कि वो शक्ल में अपनी माँ से मुशाहबियत रखती है. She takes after her mother. She takes after her mother. उसने मेरी मदद करने से साफ इनकार कर दिया. He refused point blank to help me. He refused point blank to help me. Next sentences. उसने ज़ोर से दरवाज़ा बंद किया. He banged the door. He banged the door. वो वादा करके कभी नहीं आएगा. He will break his appointment. He will break his appointment. तुमने भांडा फोड़ दिया. You pricked the bubble. You pricked the bubble. वो गुस्से में आ गई. She fell into a rage. She fell into a rage. वो शीरीं ज़ुबान है. She is silver tongued. She is silver tongued. मेरा सर दर्द से फटा जा रहा है. My head is splitting with pain. My head is splitting with pain. इससे मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It makes no difference to me. It makes no difference to me. उसकी बात ने मुझे रंजीदा कर दिया. His remarks grieved me. His remarks grieved me. आज मैं फारिग नहीं, कल सही. I have no leisure today. Let it be tomorrow. I have no leisure today. Let it be tomorrow. With this, we come to an end. Hope you like the video and share it to your friends and family.